Well, hello again. We're back in the garage. This is Fireplace insert part 2. I got the garage cleaned up a little bit. We've been working in here. Kevin's got his wood box over here full. And I wanted to show you the fireplace since we didn't get to look at it the other day. Now this is a good fire out here in the garage. It'll heat this whole garage. And I usually roll around on this stove right here and put wood in it. He's got his saws over here. We're going to go saw down a silver maple tomorrow. So he's got the farm boss. And he's got the MS 170. And up here he's got a Poulan and the Super XL. And this is his workbench. Made out of just a door. Pretty good. And this used to be my old dresser. He painted it up and he's got it loaded down too. Kinda looks like hidden pictures to me. You all might not think it's cleaned up, but it's cleaned up. If y'all like our videos, you need to subscribe to us or give us a thumbs up. No thumbs down. Just don't do nothing. And let us know which one you want us to use tomorrow. You want the old wood shark? You want the Super XL? Or you want the farm boss? Or you want the MS 170? Let us know. Give us a comment. Alright, we'll show you some more stuff. Tune in tomorrow. We'll be cutting some old silver maple. We'll see how it burns. Alright, we'll see you later. 276 Virginia. Goodbye.